Picture Windows Dallas experts are renowned for their exceptional picture window installation services, offering a wide range of options to enhance your home's aesthetics and functionality. Whether you're looking for custom picture windows or large picture windows, Dallas has the perfect solution for your needs. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, these professionals ensure that your home remains comfortable and cost-effective year-round. Window replacement. Dallas services are essential for homeowners seeking to upgrade their windows to more modern and efficient designs. Dallas residential window replacement experts provide comprehensive solutions, from window frame installation to window glass replacement, ensuring a seamless transition to your new windows. With a variety of window styles and designs available, you can customize your home to reflect your personal taste and style. For those in need of window repair, Dallas services, the city's top window contractors offer reliable and efficient solutions. From minor repairs to complete window renovation Dallas projects, these professionals are equipped to handle any challenge. Window repair services in Dallas are designed to restore your windows to their original condition, ensuring they function properly and look great. Energy-efficient picture windows. Dallas are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce their energy bills and improve their home's comfort. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Dallas window insulation experts can help you select the best options for your home, ensuring maximum energy savings and comfort. Picture Windows Dallas is all about creating beautiful and functional spaces that enhance your home's overall appeal. With a focus on window aesthetics, Dallas, local experts offer a wide range of window customization options to suit your unique style. From modern picture windows Dallas to traditional designs, there's something for everyone in this vibrant city. Home window solutions. Dallas are tailored to meet the specific needs of each homeowner, providing personalized service and expert advice. Whether you're looking for window upgrade services in Dallas or need assistance with window maintenance in Dallas, Texas, local professionals are ready to help. With a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, these experts ensure your windows are always in top condition. Window consultation services. Dallas provide valuable insights and recommendations for homeowners looking to improve their windows, from selecting the right window styles and designs. Dallas to understanding the benefits of window glazing services. Dallas, these consultations are an essential part of the window renovation process. With expert guidance, you can make informed decisions that enhance your home's value and appeal. Window durability services. Dallas focus on providing long-lasting solutions that withstand the test of time. With high-quality materials and expert craftsmanship, Dallas window contractors and services ensure your windows remain in excellent condition for years to come. Whether you're interested in window frame installation, Dallas, or need assistance with window maintenance services, these professionals have you covered. Picture Windows Dallas are designed to provide a perfect fit for your new windows, ensuring they function properly and look great. With a focus on precision and attention to detail, Dallas window fitting experts deliver exceptional results every time. Whether you're installing large picture windows in Dallas or need help with window customization, Dallas, Texas, these professionals are ready to assist.